Dalomina, good morning, everybody. Good to see you all. I don't want to make a very long speech, but just to tell you why we are here today. You'll see that we are going to launch this Walesi platform, which is this TV channel, a TV platform, from which you can watch all these TV stations. And the reason why we're doing this is because many parts of Fiji, a lot of young people don't have access to these TV channels. From this, you can not only have entertainment, but you can also see, for example, the parliamentary proceedings. When people speak in parliament, you can see that. There's also educational channel. Sometimes you may be able to learn a lot more things of the television. Your teachers will be able to use those programs to be able to teach you a lot better. There's also, of course, sports. You can watch a lot of sporting activities on that. It helps you get connected to the rest of Fiji. So that's why we are doing this. We were yesterday in another school. It was also a very remote school up in the Nandi Bar area up in the highlands of Nandi. So we are here today. We're doing a similar thing for all the other schools throughout Fiji. And we were only able to do this because government has decided to put in lots of money to make sure that everybody, every Fijian, everywhere, whether they live in the interior of Ba, whether they live in Lau, whether they live in Rotuma or Vanuatu, everybody has access to the same technology, to the same TV stations. I would like to, of course, thank the Walesi board who are here, the chair, Robert Khan, one of the board members, Anil Patel, the CEO, Sanjay Maharaj, and all the hard-working technical team who actually go throughout Fiji to connect people. I'd also like to thank the school management board for allowing us to put this facility here this morning, and also the teachers and the head teacher. A lot of times I think this is a message for the parents. They forget how important a role teachers actually play, because the teachers spend nearly most of the day with their children, and it's very important for us to appreciate that the teachers have an enormous part in shaping how the children will think, how they'll grow to be adults, what type of adults they will become. So, ladies and gentlemen, please, we are giving this to you for free. Please use it properly. Don't abuse it. Uh, don't break it. But we are here, of course, to ensure that we get better connectivity. We see that obviously a lot more places in Fiji are getting connected to electricity, a lot more places are getting connected to water, and a lot more places are getting connected, for example, to mobile phones. And this is part of the overall objective of government to ensure that everybody gets connected throughout. We will, of course, continue with the free education, continue with no school fees for parents to have to pay, and the textbooks, etc., will continue provided, including all the bus fares. So, for the children too, I have here the rugby ball too. Um, this is also a donation from Walesi. This is for your school. As you know, that we have the Fijian Drua team. You'll be able to watch them on the TV set. But this is just a small gift from Walesi to help you keep you connected, to of course keep you active. Make sure you don't drink too much fizzy drinks, or have a healthy life, and play a lot of sports. Okay? Minaka, thank you.